Alright, all packed up. Ready to leave to the airport for Vietnam. I'm really looking forward to that. Not to say that Hong Kong has been great, but Vietnam is basically what I'm here for.
Going to a whole station now?
You're going to the train station?
Train station.
Yeah, where I can take the airport shuttle.
Okay, yeah. What is your expectation about the soccer team this time?
A soccer?
Soccer team, your country.
It's going to be difficult. This is my friend Maggie.
Good morning.
You've been great. Thank you.
Is it taking a video?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We'll take you to the
Train station.
train station. You buy a ticket there?
Yeah.
About 15 minutes from Hong Kong Station to airport.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
And good luck to your country.
Thank you. It's a little sad to leave Hong Kong, but I'll probably be back in December, so it's a great time. You know, just to take a taxi to the airport would be easier, but it's not. With the traffic here in Hong Kong, it's just crazy. And it would take me forever to do that, so the Airport Express is the best way to do this. I think, you know, I don't know anything about Hong Kong. Here at the Hong Kong airport, we can just make somebody wrap our case for us. It's pretty nice service. I do like it. So. I've been to, you know, quite a few airports, and it's the fourth time I'm here at Hong Kong International Airport. And I must say, it's one of the nicest airports I ever been to. Don't get me wrong, it's huge, absolutely enormous, but I have never gotten like the, it's always easy to get around. You're never kind of lost. You know, it's very, very well organized. Good job, Hong Kong. I'm at the gate, going to Vietnam. And I'm gonna tell you a little secret, but you can't tell anyone, I guess. I'm a little nervous going through custom because I have my drone, and I'm not allowed to have a drone. They will take it if they find it. But I have never been, you know, sure it's my bag when I enter the country, you know. So, I don't, you know, it's a small drone. It's not like it's a huge drone. And also,
roll down the river now. Ain't taking no burdens on my way. Gonna have it back to the heaven place. Gonna find.
Alright, finally boarding the plane. It is a great day. A little tired, didn't get much sleep last night. Was working until late, but I had 2-3 hours to sleep on the flight, so I'll be fresh when I land in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam.
I'm gonna roll down the river now.
Down that river.
Gonna head to the place where I know I know.
Out in Ho Chi Minh City, and yeah, now I have to go deal with the what we talked about in Hong Kong, the drone thing. Wish me luck. Okay, it took time, but I'm in. Now it's the drone thing. But I was wrong. I had still one more immigration thingy to do. This is, well, not the easiest immigration in the world, but didn't have any problem. It just takes a long time to do that. Now, luggage and drone. I'm here with my man. Finally, I'm through the immigration gate. And this is my man. I can't pronounce your name.
My name?
Yeah.
Nguyễn Vũ Phước.
Phước? Phước. Yeah.
Phước, yeah.
Everything went well in the end. I finally got into the country and got my drone in. Got picked up. It's gonna be good.
No, I ain't looking back